Hi guys, last video I ended up finishing the geometry creation for Mastercam Toolpaths. So now let's open Mastercam and then do our toolpaths for the geometry. So right now I have my units in inches. That's really important. If you want to know how to change this to metric or inches, go to settings, configurations. It's right in the bottom. Change it to English or metric. So English is good now, so click OK. Let's go to open and desktop, AutoCAD, drawing file, tutorial, open up. So it's top, select it. So this is our drawing. I'm going to delete this SolidWorks edition. See, we also have a center line, delete it. So that's pretty much it. Now we're going to make a 2D wireframe geometry. I'm not really doing 3D sketch right now. So because wireframe is really easy to make a toolpath for a simple geometry like this. 3D is really useful to make a toolpaths for complicated geometry. So let's make it in wireframe now. I'll go to Xform, translate. I want to select the outer rectangle. So hold shift and then select the outer rectangle. It will select the whole outer rectangle. So click enter. Then click move in the Z direction. Give -1 inches. Then click apply. So again hold shift key and then select the same one. Now we're going to join it to -2 inches. Then click apply. So select the rectangle with the fillet, hit enter, move it to -1 inches. Oops, join it. Sorry, apply. Select all the 4 circles and join it to -2 inches. Apply and then hold the shift key and then select this one. Then click enter. So this must be -1.5 inches. So that's it. Click OK. So see, it's in different colors. So if you want to make it in the same color, just click this one. This is a clear color option. So that's fine. So this is our geometry. Now we're going to select our machine type. To make toolpaths, we need to select a machine type. So go to your mill. So this is my default machine that I'm using. Has 3x milling machine. It's inches. So select it. If you want to choose a different milling machine type, go there, mill, manage list, and choose whatever machine you need. Select it and then click add. Then you need to click OK there. Go there, go to your mill. The selected machine type will appear here. So that's fine. Now let's make a stock. Go there. Before that, let's do some changes here. So this is fine. Go to tool settings. So it's better to check everything out. Doesn't really make any difference, but it's better. Go to stock. So all these are fine. So display, fit screen, it's wireframe, it's not solid. To give the stock value, can use the bounding box option. Control A. So it will select every entities. Click enter. So it will give you an automatic stock value there. So click absolute, no use increment. I prefer to use absolute, so it's up to you guys. So this is fine. I'm gonna give a little bit extra stock here, and then here too, and on the sides too. I don't really need the sides, yeah. So click OK. So if you want to see my stock, I just hit Alt 2 to show me in front line. So this is my stock value. So I'm gonna use this like this, like isometric way, all 7. So now I'm gonna make a toolpaths. First thing, I want to face it. Yeah. So select the chain. I'm gonna select the top one. Go with the direction. Don't go with the opposite direction. If you use the opposite direction, it will give a warning symbol. So use the direction. Still, you can change your direction here. Reverse. Oh, sorry, right here. Reverse or forward direction. So select it and then hit enter. So go to your it's 2-inch face mill. Right there. Okay, that's fine. Make all these numbers similar. It doesn't really matter, but it's really helpful when you're using a CNC machine. So cut parameters, I prefer to use zigzag, no stock on the flows. All these are fine. So, and also this is a climb building, it's not conventional. Depth cuts, you don't really need depth cuts here. You need for linking parameters, you need clearance. So absolute feed plane must be absolute. Top of stock is 0.1. We must use 0.0 for others, but here it's our default top of stock is 0.1 extra because we use 3.1. Our depth must be absolute, it must be 0. I will say why the depth is 0. Go to your planes, check your planes, everything must be in top plane. Go to your coolant, it must be on. Okay, so if you select this, see, it's exactly cutting the just exactly clearing the above stock. So if you give 0.1 as a depth, it'll go a little bit down, so it's fine. So the next step is let's go to isometric view. The next step is basically our contour. So go to contour and then select the outer side. Hit enter. Two. I'm gonna use end mill. I think half-inch end mill. That will work. So 2 to 2, head 2. So feed rate must be 10 inches. Plunge rate is fine. Spindle speed is fine. Cut parameters. So it's computer. It's left. Stock 0. Depth cuts. I don't really need depth cuts. Multi passes. I don't need it. Wait, we can use depth cuts here. Yeah, that's fine. Keep tool down. Yeah, everything is fine. Linking parameters. So it must be absolute. I'm gonna use our top of stock must be 0 here. We can use 0. Our depth is negative 1 inch. So check your planes and then turn on your coolant. Hit OK. See, yeah. So that's fine. So our next toolpath is drilling. I'll go to entities, select the circle 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hit enter. Yes. Go to tool. I'm gonna use central first. Select library tool. Probably, yeah, the first one. That looks good. Tool 3. That's fine. Cutting parameters, drill. Yeah, drill counter board is good. Linking parameters, clearance, retract, absolute, depth. Top of stock is 0, depth is 10. 0.10 is fine. Check your planes. We don't need dip compensation now. Check your planes. Coolant is on. For central, we don't need really coolant. It's fine. So the stock value, I think I didn't give the it's negative 0.10. So regenerate, yeah, that's fine. So now we're gonna make a drill. Go to your toolpaths, drill, select entities 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hit enter. Okay. Go to your tool. This is oops, drill is right there. This must be a half-inch drill. So the best base library 2. Go to your filter. Equal to none. Equal, then give 0.5. Okay. Go to library. Select half-inch tool. It is 4 for there. We want to just run this piece in your CNC machine and see how it looks. You need to change your feed rate. I'll go with for drilling, I'll go with 10. spindle speed of 680 for half inch. I think it's based on your tool bit, what type of tool bit you're having. Go to your cut parameters, it must be a pictorial. This is fine. Linking parameters, yeah. The depth is fine, it's automatically taken, that's fine, that's good. Tip compensation, we don't need tip compensation. Planes, yeah, you need to check every plane is set in the same, like in the top plane. Coolant on, okay. So regenerate, yeah, it's fine. So next thing is pocket toolpaths. Before that, I will just hide all those toolpaths, like the markings. So it's Alt T. Say something is selected, so clear colors. So toolpaths, pocket. Select the pocket chain. I'm going to try to select this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, where it is, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Sorry guys. Oops, I'm selecting the wrong line. 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, fine. Hit enter. So go to your tool. I'm going to use half inch flat mill for this. For your feed rate, I'm going to go to 15. For your plunge rate, I'm going to go to 5. RPM is fine. RPM, I'll go by like 900. So cut parameters, it's climb. Make sure you don't have any stock there. So you can have a stock, you can make a rough cut first and then make a final cut. Go to your rough cut. I'm gonna use spiral clean corners. So this is fine. Stipple percentage is fine, really fine for me. Finishing, one finish pass. The space for finish pass is 0.125. It's good. Outer boundary is fine. Feed rate, we don't need we can use override feed rate really, but I'm not going to run this spot in machine, so I'm not going to use. So as I said before, if you want to run this spot, you can use feed rate. It's just your finish feed rate and spindle speed. Just for your finishing cut, you can use higher feed rate to have a better finish. So lead in, lead out, it doesn't matter for me right now. So depth cuts, you need depth cuts, enable it, keep your tool down, check this one. If you didn't check it, it will for every rough step, for every 25.25 inch, the tool will go to the clearance height. You can see the clearance height. So it's retract height, so 0.2 inches above and then come down. So we don't need the unnecessary time wastings. So top of stock is 0, and your depth cut is I think it's negative 1.5. So your planes is fine. Coolant, it must be on. So okay, yeah, I think that's fine. Pocket is done. Drill is done. So I think pretty much done. So let's see our 3D display, whatever, maybe simulation. Simulation. So it's good. See your holes, yeah, it's good. I'm sorry guys. It's going finish cut. Yeah, pretty much done. At last we can make a chamfer if we want in the middle, or else we can use a file and then chamfer it. I'm going to use a chamfer tool in the Mastercam toolpaths. I think it's contour. Yeah, it's contour. Select the outrage. Faster. Yeah, hit enter. Go to your tools. Filter, none. Yeah, this one is chamfer mill. Okay. What is it do? Yeah, there it is. So now go to your feed rate is fine, plunge rate is also fine. We don't gonna plunge it. So I'm using 1 inch chamfer mill because I pretty much use for every toolpath, so that's fine for me. Change this one, contour type, 2D chamfer, and your width is, I prefer to use 0.2. It's up to you what type of chamfer mill you're using. If you're using a smaller chamfer mill, you can like go by 0.01 and 0.02. So I'm using this one. This is my default value. No stocks, depth cuts, we don't need it. Leading node, that's fine. Breakthrough, tabs, linking parameters. So you don't need really need a depth. Top plane is 0, I think. Let's check. I don't need any colon for this. Oh, that's fine. Let's check it. Faster, 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 faster. Pocket is really slow. Yeah, we are nice little chamfer here. It's really good. I'm sorry guys. So it's awesome. We can also make a chamfer in this edge if we want. I'll try by selecting one more geometry. I'm not sure whether it will work or not. If it doesn't work, you're gonna make a new geometry. Oops, a new toolpath for our next chamfer. Yeah, hit enter. Let's check whether. I'm not sure. I never tried a chamfer for inside. I'm trying for you guys. Let's see. Oh, it's really messed up. So I'm not gonna use it. Cancel. Just delete the second chain. That's fine. Regenerate. Okay. As far as I'm concerned, for me it's good. It's really good. Just play the piece. And for the inside chamfer, we still can make the inside chamfer. We need to change some. We need to make a new toolpath for chamfering inside. It doesn't really take time, but I'm not really gonna use it. So if you guys you know how to make a chamfer right now, so you can choose the geometry here and then you can make a chamfer. So that's it pretty much. Thanks for watching guys. Please leave a comment if you have questions, or like it and then subscribe to my channel.